Hey, it's Adam, the Executive Director here at LTC for another episode of LTC, and I'm here with our volunteer Isaac, who also happens to be my son, and we're going to be doing a computer build, and we're going to go inside and check it out. What do you think? Let's do it. Last week, my son Isaac and I made a little road trip. Our mission was simple. We needed to put together a new PC for LTC. This computer had to have decent specs and under $1,500 to meet our budget. So we pointed the car towards Cambridge and Micro Center.
First one's here. First one's here. First one's here.
This summer, LTC started utilizing some new gear and concepts that we've actually talked about in earlier episodes of LTC. It became clear that we needed to build a computer that met the needs of these new software platforms and gives us the flexibility to upgrade in the future. That's when I enlisted the help of my son Isaac. Isaac is a physics undergrad with a heavy interest in computers. He's also been volunteering this summer at LTC, and 2 years ago he completed his own build for a gaming PC. Now for our needs, a gaming PC is very similar to the specs that would work for streaming at these events. So I put Isaac to work on compiling a list that we would need. He landed on a powerful but modestly priced build. A Ryzen 7 7700X processor, an Asus motherboard, 64 gig of RAM, an NVIDIA RTX 5070 GPU, a beefy power supply, and 2 terabytes of storage.
411 posi track out back, 750 double pumper, Edelbrock intakes, board over 30, 11-to-1 pop-up pistons, turbojet 390 horsepower. We're talking some...
In other words, some serious power. While we were at Micro Center, we were helped by Alexander, who was awesome.
Oh my goodness.
We actually had to change up our build a little bit. The motherboard wasn't in stock, but we lucked out with a very clean open box of the same board in the store. So we saved a little bit of money, which helped us upgrade the processor and still come in under budget.
Size. It needs to fit.
Yeah, is there one that's slightly small? Doesn't have a handle, and you'd have to do an ITX form factor. Also, it's the same color as my sweatshirt. I don't think that matters. It could.
Anything else we'll pick it up today? The case is not being got, the SSD is not being got, and the cooler's not being got. We have
So we've got the power supply, motherboard, processor, RAM, and graphics card for the streaming PC that we are going to build. Currently, we still need, I think, just the case and the cooler for the computer. Those will be purchased from Amazon. We also need the SSD. That is something. The SSD and cooler are cheaper on Amazon, and the case is only available there. But yeah, I guess once that's done, we'll be all ready to go and build this thing.
Coming up on LTC, we are going to have a broadcast and stream of a special live episode of this show as Isaac puts together this computer and shows us what we need to know when you're building a PC yourself. As always, thanks for watching.